What's going on, guys? Christian here from CK Wraps. So today I'm going to show you the walk around of the Mercedes C43, brand new 2019, just wrapped in Avery Gloss Grey. Now the whole car is 3-stage ceramic coated, which means 2 base coats, 1 top coat. So it feels super slick, really nice, protects your wrap, and it's also certified by Avery, which is amazing. So if you're looking to sign up for Ceramic Pro, I'll put a link to the form in the description below. Well worth it. I mean, one of the kits gets you like, I don't know, a whole bunch of cars out of it, so it's totally worth it. On top of that, I'll put a link to this color in the description below and the tools that I use to install it. Let's have a look around. I've done a couple of other things. We've done window tinting, and so this car has 25% window tint all the way around, and the ceramic coating and the full wrap. Let's check it out. So this bumper has an inlay right in the top there for this section, right up here. Can you see it? Where am I with the camera? There we go. Can't really see it. Another one up top there. Okay, so this bumper has an inlay right there on the top section, and then it has one inlay in the top section there. That's it. The side, I like the side vents on this thing, it's really nice. The hardest part of this car to wrap was this lower side skirt piece. Now it's all one piece on this car, which makes it really difficult because there's no gap between that trim. Sometimes they come chrome, sometimes they come black, and then everything else. So the roof is also done in gloss black. Do you want to hold on for 1 second, like 2 minutes? Thank you. All right, so there's a very minimal inlay in this section here. You can just kind of see it at the top. There is an inlay right here on the top section. Super clean though, right? The back end is my favorite by far. I love it. Spoiler. Check everything out. All right. There's a seam right there. Had to throw a logo on there because with the gloss film, no one's gonna know it's painted, or sorry, wrapped. Corner on the spoiler there. Corners all the way around. I mean, you can see them. You can check out everything. Just want you guys to see. Same deal on this side with the vent. These vents are not that fun to do, but bumper takes a few hours with everything for the most part. So it's slightly challenging. Maybe we can have a look underneath there. Looks really good with the window tint. Window tint, black mirrors, some chrome badging, and it looks awesome. That's pretty much it, guys. So walk around with the car and shows you what's up. That's it. He's about to pick it up in about 45 minutes, and I want to do the video of it. Guys, I hope you like it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos, don't forget the subscribe button. Again, thank you for watching. Take care.